I will now go into the handling of the piece of legislation that we've come here for, and the amendment of the National Ordinance on the Registration and Finances of Political Parties. We have also a slide, Madam Chair, which will be shown on the first slide. We see that it proposes to amend the legislation and remove the legal discrepancies between the Constitution and this law. The National Ordinance on the Registration and Finance of Political Parties, NFP, regulates the financial administration of political parties. These amendments, it is essential that political parties function transparently. Based on the current legislation, financial reports from the parties are sent to the Electoral Council, accompanied by a statement from an accountant who reviews the report in question. The Electoral Council sends the financial report to the General Audit Chamber to check the accuracy of the financial data. The Audit Chamber is required to check 1. The financial position of the political party, the overview of all income and expenditures, the gifts over 5,000 guilders originating from other than private individuals, and the total donations other than contributions from members of the political party. The Audit Chamber is also required to present its findings in the form of an advice to the Electoral Council based on the current law. In view of its duties and authorities in accordance with Article 74 of the Constitution, the Audit Chamber is charged with investigating the efficiency and lawfulness of the country's revenue and expenditure. The Audit Chamber's constitutional authorization is therefore limited to public funds. Auditing financial reports of political parties does not concern public funds. From a constitutional point of view, therefore, it is appropriate to place the Audit Chamber in the NFP to replace the Audit Chamber as described in the National Ordinance for Financing of Political Parties with the SOAB. In doing so, the legal discrepancies are then removed. Why, would you say, should we choose the SOAB for this? The SOAB is the appropriate entity because they are the government's auditors and are allowed to audit non-public funds of entities related to government. A comparison with the legislation in Kòrsou shows that the SOAB is assigned that task with that specific task there. Kòrsou's legislative body also agrees that this is not a task of their audit chamber, their court of audit. Furthermore, in consultation with the SOAB, they have also agreed with this draft.